Hello, this is Monica Takis. I am Senior Director for Industry Networks at the Pittsburgh Technology Council. Welcome to the Cyburgh webpage. So this video is going to walk you through if you are having trouble accessing the Cyburgh webpage, the actual event, or if you did not get an email confirmation. So if you did not get an email confirmation, please contact Lisa Lawrence. Her contact information is on the webpage. She'll check on your membership status and she'll get you all set with a link to access the platform. If you did receive an email confirmation, you should just be able to click the information within and then that will take you to the platform as well. One thing I do want to point out, I'm going to share my screen with you. So once you get to the page on the platform, you are going to see that there's some information here. We'll have a list of our sponsors, the schedule, the sponsor booths, but as you can see, you can't get into that area. So this is outside of the event. So there's one very important step that you need to take. You need to enter the event. So you'll see here, the event is live. You may see a link that will ask you to pick up your ticket if you have not grabbed your ticket yet. Once that is done, you'll get an alert like this as well, and you'll just be able to enter the event. Now, starting at 9:30 a.m., I will have a video that will walk you around the platform to show you what that looks like. So starting at 9:30, please join us on the stage, which is accessible by clicking stage from the left-hand menu. And then you'll see the video here. Watch that, and then we'll have a daily preview starting at 9:30 every day. We really look forward to seeing you at Cyburgh. There's lots of great stuff going on, networking, sponsor booths, sessions, keynotes, and we really look forward to welcoming you to the event. So we'll see you there and have a great week.